All right, let's jump into the essentials of lab safety to keep your workspace totally secure.
Labs are where the magic happens. We're talking world-changing discoveries here.
But before we get to any of that awesome stuff, we've got to make sure you stay safe.
So, first things first, gearing up. It all starts with the right protective equipment.
We're talking the absolute minimums here. Lab coat, safety glasses, long pants, and closed-toed shoes.
This stuff, your personal protective equipment, or PPE, is literally your first line of defense.
Okay, now that you're suited up, let's talk about your lab space and its rules.
One of the most critical pieces of gear in any lab is the chemical fume hood.
Seriously, stick to these practices. They're what keep those nasty vapors away from you. And when it comes to sharps, needles, blades, that kind of thing, proper disposal is everything.
Now, this stuff seems basic, but it's exactly what prevents accidental cuts and punctures. All right, but what if something does go wrong? The key is to stay calm and know the plan.
For chemical spills, how you react really depends. Is it a small spill or a big one?
And if you get exposed to a chemical, 15 minutes. That's the magic number.
That's the minimum time you need to be flushing in an emergency shower or eye wash.
Now, for fires, your first move is always to judge the size and act accordingly. And if you do need to use a fire extinguisher, it's super easy to remember PASS. Pull, aim, squeeze, and sweep. It's the universal way to handle these things.
Look, safety isn't just about the experiment itself. It's a mindset, always.
And you've got to report everything, even near misses. It's how we prevent it from happening again.
So after all that, what do you think is the single most important piece of safety equipment?
It's you, your brain. All the gear in the world doesn't matter if you're not alert.